Today I am going to show you how to make a low-calorie, fun summer drink. I get questions all the time about how can I have a drink and have some fun, but not have too many calories. So this is a great option for the summer, especially if you like Moscow Mules. So choose your favorite vodka. I just chose something out of the cupboard. I love these sparkling ice brand. They came out with a ginger lime flavor, which just makes for a perfect Moscow Mule. So I already put a few ice cubes into the copper mug, and then we're gonna add a shot of vodka. And then we are just going to simply pour the ginger lime sparkling ice into the copper mug until it's filled. And usually I just can kind of continue to add and use up the rest of the bottle as I drink. And then as a nice little garnish, you can either add the lime on the side, or sometimes I like to put a little bit of fresh lime juice in the mug. And cheers.